Finish it up. Get up. You gotta come up on that. Up. Get up off your head up. There you go. Elbows in. There you go. Elbow in. There you go. Go across. Snap out of it. Snap out of there if you don't like it. Snap out. Hey, let's go in. Let's go in. Let's go, Dan. Face him.
Clear this corner out.
Hey. Come up, go right into a double. There you go, Turk it, Turk it. Sorry, hey, work your takedown, work your takedown. Sprawl, sprawl, hip down, cross face.
Nice, Dan.
There you go. Pressure, 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 drive. Get off your knees. Hips up, hips up, hips up. There you go.
Slide, slide, slide.
Get out there. Drive the hips. There you go, drive the hips. Go out to the side and drive it. Get out to the side and drive it. No, no, no. Stay in the box. Now let's get a takedown, Dan. Come on, get a deep breath, let's go. Your setup. Duck it. Just get a takedown. Duck it and go. Hip iced over. Hip iced through. Swim. Go, Dan. The hand. Watch yourself, watch yourself. Keep moving, head up. There you go, now up and out. Get that leg out of there, Dan. Face him, face him, face him, face him. Face him. All right, now come forward, come up, come up. Swat hands. Up, 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 up. Hip placed out. Up, head up, move. Head up and move, let's go. Hips down and away. Stay in, stay in. Go in, Drake. Hips away, don't let it pull you out. Switch inside the leg. Back over that ankle, back over your ankle. Back over your ankle. No.
Dan, come on.
Bang into that, take care of it. Now hips up and move. Hips up and move. Go, go. Catch it, catch it. Go, 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 go. Up, up, up. Take it, take down.
Final score 4-3.